resetting the oil maintenance light for this 2021 Toyota Highlander. It's an XSE all-wheel drive with a 3.5 liter engine. Okay, so in order to reset the maintenance light, sorry, I unfocused it, we're going to be using this keypad on the left side of the steering wheel, and we're going to be using these buttons to look on the screen over here. All right, so right now we're gonna have to go back using this little arrow button. Sorry if it doesn't focus. All right, and then we're going to go all the way with the left arrow. Sorry, let me get out of this. All right, so we're basically going to be scrolling up and down. If you could see, we're going to go down to settings. All right, and once we're on settings, we're going to be using the right arrow until we get to that little symbol right there with the car and the little gear, and then we're going to hold OK. Once we do that, we're going to scroll down with the arrow down button all the way to scheduled maintenance, and then it's going to ask you to reset, and you're going to click on yes. Alright, and that is all. Simple, easy oil light reset. Alright guys, please like, subscribe if this video helped you. Don't forget to click on that notification button to stay updated for whatever next video I put up. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.